ETH, we start with daily chart. Just want to give a quick update. First of all, if we refer to our analysis, we have been looking for the reversal. This is what we get. And right now the question is whether this is a correction. If I remove everything, this will be more clear. All right. Whether this is the correction as a daily chart for continuation, or we can put this one in relative to this for the flat, following by internal correction for the next drop. Why we are going for this, we need to be quite careful about this option, since the price, whether within here, the price couldn't tag or break the lowest price of this shadow. That's mean the possibility for this one turn to flat in relative to the first wave correction for the third wave is very high. We need to be really careful, right? It doesn't mean, I don't want to say we should wait for the next drop before we look for the reversal. If I get any opportunity for buy by considering this one as a correction for continuation, I will take it. But at the same time, so you need to be really careful about the second option if the price, it doesn't move in our direction. Anyway, in a bigger picture, we have been looking for this one as a flat. That's why I mentioned if you get any reversal, any opportunity for buy, we will take it as a long term. And with the breakout of the all-time high, we can look for 5.5 following by 7K. And we move to a lower time frame. We want to see how we can look at the chart, whether we can look for any trade setup or not. And based on forward chart, we don't see any trade setup since we see the way the price was dropping is quite sharp. How deep this one can go, even we can expect the price drop to 3840. And with the breakout of 3840, we can expect the price drop to 3750. But for me, I prefer to see the reversal without the breakout of 3840. All right. And the way what the market was more reversing, it was quite corrective. And the possibility for the price to give us one more drop, as what I explained based on daily chart, is quite high. But we are not really interested to look for sell unless we see the deep A correction. Then just to make it very clear, if anyone wants to look for sell, either based on forward and 1 hour chart, we have to wait for the deep A correction. This is where we can look for sell. But for me, I'm looking for buy. That's mean if I get any reversal, any opportunity for buy, still I will take it. And based on forward chart, I don't see any trade setup for buy. And if I move to 1 hour chart, similar explanation as what we had based on forward chart. If anyone wants to, if at this point, we don't see any trade setup either for buy or sell. How deep this one can go, this is the support or levels we can look for. But if you want to look for sell, we have to wait for the deep correction before we take the next sell. And if you want to look for buy, we have to wait for the reversal as a sharp move flag before we take the next trade. This is how we can look for trade. And at this point, we should wait. And in this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any opportunity for either for buy or sell, then I will give update. Thanks.